Good morning, Riverhawks. I'm your host, Jaden, and this is the Riverhawk News for Monday, April 8th, 2024. Always remember to have your ID card at all times. 8th grade promotion pictures are tomorrow. Field trips. Bring your permission slips and payments for our end of the year field trips. Money and permission slips must be turned in together. Open house is coming this Wednesday from 5:30 to 7 p.m. Remind your parents and come as a family to celebrate Jackman. There will be food. Boys volleyball is starting this week. Their first game is tomorrow, playing against Eddie at Eddie. Good luck, Riverhawks. Remember the Fall Festival? Well, now it's time for the Spring Festival. It is happening on Friday, April 19th. Save your money so you can buy some tickets and enjoy all the food, friends, and fun. A reminder, we should have respect for our campus and keep it clean. Here's a reminder to recycle and not litter. This ends today's episode for the Riverhawk News. For Riverhawks, it is the fourth quarter now. We are on the rise. You should know to always be responsible, have integrity, show strength, and show everyone your excellence. And most importantly, have a great day.